In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and restore issues in Jira, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Archiving issues in Jira can help you keep your projects organized by removing tasks that are completed or no longer relevant from your active views, while still retaining their records for future reference if needed. Let's dive into how you can manage this effectively. First, start by navigating to your Jira homepage. This is your main control panel and will be the starting point for all your project management activities. Once you're at the homepage, look at the left panel where you'll find a button labeled Projects. Click on it and you'll see a list of your projects. Choose the specific project you want to work with by clicking on its name. This will direct you to the project overview. Now that you're inside your selected project, locate and click on the Issues link. Here you'll see a list of all issues associated with this project. Your task is to find the specific issue you want to archive. You can scroll through or use the search function to locate it quickly. Once you've identified the issue, click on it to view the detailed description and its current status. Next, pay attention to the top right corner of the issue screen. You'll notice three dots which serve as a menu button. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options, you'll find Archive. Clicking on Archive tells Jira to remove this issue from your active tasks and place it in storage. In some cases, you may be prompted to confirm this action. If this happens, simply click the yellow button to proceed with confirmation. So what if you need to restore an archived issue? Don't worry, it's straightforward. Return to the top section of the Jira toolbar and open the Archived Issues section from the menu. Here, you'll find all issues that have been previously archived. Locate the issue you want to bring back to active duty by browsing through or using the search option. Once you've found it, select the checkbox next to the issue you wish to restore. The final step is to hit the Restore button, which will reinstate the issue into your active project workflows. Once restored, the issue will reappear not only in your project, but also in dashboards, backlogs, and boards. This allows you to continue monitoring, editing, and managing it as needed seamlessly within your project's ecosystem. By following these steps, you can effectively manage archived issues in Jira, making sure your project workspace is always organized and up to date, while also having the ability to quickly retrieve archived data when necessary.